Hello students and welcome to Smart Kids Tutorials. In this video, we will be solving the prelims paper, Maths Level 2 that came recently in March 2023. This is Goa Headmasters Association's SSC second term preparatory exam. 40 marks and it came on 6th of March 2023. Time is 1.5 hours. We'll go through the instructions quickly. First one, answer each question on a fresh page. All questions are compulsory. The question paper consists of 4 questions, each of 10 marks. There is no overall choice. In questions on constructions, drawing should be clear and exactly as per the given measurements. The construction lines and arcs should be maintained. Use of calculator and mathematical tables is not permitted. Let's begin with the first question. Question 1a, attempt the following. Find the value if the quadratic equation 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0 have equal roots. If it has equal roots, that means d will be equal to 0. Okay, so that means b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So from here, if you look, compare it with the general equation, we get a equal to 4. B equal to k and c is equal to 9. So we'll substitute these values over here. So b is k, so that would be k square minus 4a, which is 4, and c is 9, so 9 equal to 0. So k square minus 4 into 4 into 9, we get 144. We'll take this 144 on the right hand side. So we get k square equal to 144. So k will be equal to square root of 144, which means we get k equal to plus or minus 12. So that is the answer. Okay, because it has real roots, that means we'll get plus or minus 12. So k is plus or minus 12, that is the answer, and it is for 1 mark. Go to the next question. Express the quadratic equation 3x plus 4 upon x equal to 5 in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and write the value of c. Write the equation once again. 3x plus 4 upon x equal to 5. So I will multiply throughout by x, multiply throughout by x, because I do not need that x in the denominator, by x. So what we'll get, x into 3x will be 3x square. X into 4 upon x, this x and x will cancel, we'll be left with just 4. Then x into 5 will be 5x. Bring 5x on the left hand side, you get 3x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so now we have it in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And if we clearly see, c is equal to 4. So that is what we were asked to find out. So this is also for 1 mark. Question 1b, find the mode of the following frequency distribution for 2 marks. So first we need to find the maximum frequency. So the maximum frequency is 14. If the maximum frequency is 14, then we need to look at the class interval corresponding to that frequency, and that is 120 by 120 to 140. So this becomes our model class. I'll just write down over here. Model class is equal to 120 to 140. So lower limit of the model class is 120. And in that case, our this will become F1, this will become F0, and this will become F2. So write it down over here. F0 is 12. F1 is 14, F2 is 8, and H is the class size. So 120 minus 100 gives us 20. So the class size is 20. Okay. Now let's put all these values in the formula to find the mode of this data that is given to us. So mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f2 whole thing in brackets into h. Let's substitute the value. L is 120 plus f1 is 14, f0 is 12, 2 times into f1 minus f0 minus f2 which is 8 into 20. Okay, so this 120 plus 14 minus 12 is 2. 2 into 14 is 28. Minus 12 and minus 8 gives us minus 20 into 20. Then 120 plus 2 upon 28 minus 20 is 8 into 20. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, cancel. So we are left with 120 plus 5, which is 125. So this is the mode of this data that is given to us. It's for 2 marks. Question 1c, find the roots of the quadratic equation 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 by factorization methods for 3 marks. So there's a choice over here, and the choice in this paper is between factorization method and sorry, there's no choice over here. This is for 3 marks. The choice is there for level 1 students, not for level 2 students. Sorry about that. So here we have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Let's do that. 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 9 into 2 is 18. Okay. And there's a difference of 3 in between with a negative constant. That means we'll have one positive, one negative term in between. And the sign of the greater number is 3. So 6 3s are 18. That's how we'll get. This has to be negative. This has to be positive. 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x is common between these two terms. So the 3x, what is left behind is 3x minus 2. Here we can't take anything common, so I'll put a 1 over here and leave it as it is 3x minus 2 equals. So take the common terms out, 3x minus 2, and whatever is left, 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can separate them out. 3x minus 2 equal to 0 and 3x plus 1 equal to 0. And we get it as x equal to 2 upon 3 and x equal to minus 1 upon 3. So we can say therefore roots of quadratic equation are 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3. So this is for 3 marks. Question 1d for 3 marks. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 by quadratic formula method. We'll write down the equation first. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing with general formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to positive 3. Okay. First we need to see whether there are real and distinct roots. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. B is minus 7, so minus 7 whole square minus 4 into A into C. Minus 7 whole square is positive 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 8 3s are 24. 49, that gives us 25. So D is equal to 25, which means D is greater than 0. And this means that quadratic equation has a real and distinct roots. Okay, let's find out the roots using quadratic formula methods. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d upon 2a. minus of minus b, so it's minus 7 plus minus square root of d, which is 25, whole thing upon 2 into a is 2. So we'll get positive 7 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5, whole thing upon 2 into 2 is 4. And then we get x equal to 7 plus 5 upon 4, and x equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4. We get 7 plus 5 is 12 upon 4, 4 was a 4, 4 3 is a 12. We get x equal to 3, and here 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 upon 4, 2 1 is a 2, 2 2 is a 4, which means it is half. So we can write therefore roots of quadratic equation are 3 and half. Okay, this is for 3 marks. Next question, question 2a for 1 mark. Two cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. So you have a cuboid like this. Okay, and just draw one. Okay, and there's another one connected. So you have this, just focus on this part. Okay, so just complete the cuboid resulting from joining the two cubes together. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Okay, and this is one. That is one side, and there's another side. So when these cubes are joined together, the length increases over here. So that's exactly what we are going to focus on. So length will be 5 plus 5, which is 10 centimeter. Breadth will remain 5 centimeter, and height will remain 5 centimeters. No change in that. Okay. So we are asked, find the total surface of the resulting cuboid. So total surface area of the cuboid is given by the formula 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. And length is 10. So 10 into breadth, which is 5, 5 into 5, and this will be 5 into 10. Okay. Put this in a bracket. 2 times 10 into 5 is 50 plus 25 plus 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. 100 plus 25 is 125. So 2 into 125, and we get 250 as the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. 250 square centimeters. Do not forget the units as well. Okay, so this is for 1 mark. Next we go to the construction part. Question 2b for 3 marks. Draw a line segment PT of length 6.8 centimeters, taking T as the center and radius 3 centimeters. Draw a circle. Using a pair of compass and ruler, construct tangents PA and PB to the circle. Measure and state the length of the tangent segments. Okay, so first we'll begin by taking PT of length segment 6.8, and then we'll take T as the center and draw a circle 3 centimeter, and then we'll draw the next circle as well. Okay, let's begin. So let's begin. We need to take it this way. Okay, so let's okay, so let's measure 6.8. Okay, so I'll mark this as P and T. This is 6.8 centimeter. Then I'm going to take T as the center and draw a circle with the radius 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Yeah. So take T as the center. Here you go. So that's a circle with a radius that is 3 centimeter. Next, I'll draw a perpendicular bisector to PT. So make sure the length is more than 3.4 centimeters, because 3.4 centimeters is half of PT. Okay, so I'm just going to take it slightly more than that without measuring. So just draw an arc here, one arc down here with the same measurement, keeping on point P. Draw another arc cutting those two arcs. So wherever these two arcs cut each other, we're going to draw a line through them, and that will be our perpendicular bisector to PT. This way. Yes. Okay. Okay. So that's our perpendicular bisector. Okay. Next, going to take wherever this line cuts, I'll take this as O. So PO I'm going to measure, and that will be our radius for the new circle. Okay, here. So I'm going to draw on the new circle this way. There you go. And then the final step is to draw the tangents. Okay, so that for the tangents I'll draw it this way from here. Okay, till here. There you go. That's one tangent. Then another tangent from here to here. Okay, that's another tangent. So that's P, and we'll mark this as A and this as B. So PA and BB, this is PTO, and we'll measure. So PA should be equal to PB. And just measure that. How much it comes to 6.2, and this also, it should be equal. We'll just have a look. However, yeah, 6.2. So PA equal to PB. I'll write it as 6.2 centimeters. PA equal to PB equal to 6.2 centimeters. So these are the tangents. So that's for 3 marks. Next up is also a construction, question 2C, also for 3 marks. Using a pair of compass and ruler, construct triangle ABC with side AB equal to 5.6 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter, and AC equal to 6.2 centimeter. Then construct triangle B-AC- whose sides are 5/3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Now note here, in the question paper is given triangle B-AC- and not A-B, A-B, C-, which is usually given. So we'll have to stick with whatever the paper says, P-A, C-. How do we draw this one? So instead of taking BC that we usually would have taken, we'll take AC. So we take AC equal to 6.2 centimeter. Then construct, cut an arc AB 5.6 centimeter, and BC another arc. So both these arcs should intersect each other, and we'll get here these two. Okay, one triangle will be formed. Here this will be B. Okay, so BC is 7 centimeter and AB is 5.6 centimeter. Then we draw an acute angle to AC, cut 5 arcs. Okay, the third one will connect to C this way. So that is A3 will connect to C. We extend C to get C dash. A5 we connect to C dash such a way that it is parallel to A3C. Similarly, we extend B to have B dash, and we draw B dash, we connect B dash C dash in such a way that it is parallel to BC. Then we get a new triangle which is B dash A C dash, okay, corresponding to triangle ABC. Okay, that's how we draw this particular triangle. Okay, so let's begin. We'll start over here on a fresh page. We'll draw AC 6.2 centimeters. So we draw AC. Okay, have a look. This is 6.2 centimeters. I'm going to mark this A, C, 6.2 centimeters. Then draw 5.6 centimeters. That will be AB. 5.6 centimeters. Okay, that's AB. Draw an arc this way. Then BC 7 centimeter. There you go. Keep it on C. And we'll cut an arc this way. Where these two arcs intersect, we'll be drawing AB. I've extended the line. This will be B. And same thing we'll do for BC. Okay. So you can measure and see. It should be 7 centimeters. There you go. And this should be 5.6 centimeters. You mark this as 5.6 centimeters. And this has 7 centimeter. Next, we draw an acute line to AC. This way. And I'm also going to extend this AC. There you go. So this will become C dash later on. Now we cut this extended line into 5 equal parts with the help of the compass. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll mark this as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. And we'll join A3 to C. A3 to C this way. Okay. Next we have to construct A5 to C dash, which will be parallel to A3 C. So from there, take another measurement. Or whatever measurement I'm taking here, I'm going to use the same by keeping it on A5 where the arc cuts. Draw another arc this way. Now we measure this arc here, and this where this arc cuts this line here, and I'm going to cut this arc. There you go. Wherever this arc is, these two arcs are cutting each other. I'm going to draw a line passing from A5, passing through this point and touching this line. Okay, this line. There we go. This is almost at the end of the page. We're going to extend this line. There you go. So this will become our C dash. Okay, parallel to A3C. And then we have to draw another line which is parallel to C. So we may have to extend this further. Just extend this. So once again the same thing we'll do. Draw a line parallel to BC. So B dash C dash should be parallel to BC. There you go. Keep it on C dash and draw another arc. Then measure this arc. And keep it on here. Cut this arc. Now we draw C dash. Draw a line from C dash passing through this intersection. And waiting here. There you go. So that will become your B dash. So this is our triangle, the new triangle, that is B dash A C dash, and this is triangle ABC. Okay, so this is how we have to draw this triangle 5 upon 3 times, corresponding to the new old triangle, original triangle. Okay, this is for 3 marks. Question 2D for 3 marks. A boy is standing on the terrace P of a building PQ, which is 50 meters high, and flying a kite. The string of a kite is 250 meters long and it makes an angle of 60 degrees with the plane terrace. Find the height RS of the kite from the ground, and we have to take root 3 equal to 1.73, 3 marks. So we need this full. Okay, we have been given this part, so we can easily get RT, and we know that PQ is given, so PQ is equal to TS because they are of the same length. It's a rectangle. Okay, and so once we get RT, we can add RT to TS and get RS. That's what we'll do. So we say in triangle RTP, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, we'll say sine of 60 degrees, sine of 60 degrees is RT upon RP or PR. Sine of 60 degrees is root 3 upon 2. RT we have to find out. PR is given as 250. We cancel this, we get 125 here. 125 into root 3. So RT is equal to 125 into root 3. And root 3 is given as 1.73. So 125 into 1.73 gives us 216.25 meters. Okay, so RT is given. Now I can easily say PQ is equal to TS, so equal to 50 meters. And RS is what we need, right? So RS is equal to RT plus TS. It is 216.25 plus 50. And that gives us 266.25 meters, the length of RS. So therefore we can give the concluding statement. Height of kite from ground is 266.25 meters. Now many of you all miss out on this final statement. This final statement has got half mark. So please make sure you, for any word problem, give the final statement because it carries marks. Okay, so this is for 3 marks. Question 3A for 1 mark. The marks of students in a maths test are as follows: 34, 32, 48, 38, 24, 30, 27, 21, 35. When we are asked to find the median of the above data, in order to find the median, first we'll have to rearrange them either in ascending order or descending order. I'm going to do it in ascending order. So that would be 21, 24, 27, 30, 32, 34, 35, 38 and 48. Okay, so how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 observations. Okay, so it's odd number. So to find the median for odd numbers, the formula is something like this: n plus 1 upon 2 term. So n is the number of observations. So 9 observation, 9 plus 1 upon 2 term. That is 10 upon 2 term. And that would be 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So fifth term will be our median. Now have a look which is the fifth term here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 32 is our answer. Our median is 32. This is for 1 mark. Question 3b, attempt the following. Write the next two terms of the given AP, and this is for 1 mark. So we have been given first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We need to find the fifth and the sixth term. The first term is 75, and the difference will take as A2 minus A1. So that would be 67 minus 75. That would be minus 8. Okay, so the common difference is minus 8. Fifth and sixth period. So A5 in is A plus 4D. It is equal to A is 75. 75 plus 4 into D. D is minus 8. Okay, so that will get 75 minus 32. And that comes to 43. Okay, and A6 is A plus 5D. So that would be 75 plus 5 into minus 8. 75 minus 40, that comes to 35. So the next two terms are 43 and 35. Alternatively, if you don't want to do this, you can also do directly, because the common difference is minus 8. 51 minus 8 will give you 43. And 43 minus 8 will give you 35. You can do that also. So 1 mark. Next one says find the number of terms of arithmetic progression 7, 10, 13 up to 43 for 1 mark. So here we are given the first term. First term is 7. We can easily find out the difference. A2 minus A1, which is 10 minus 7 equal to 3. Okay, and we can take an equal to 43. So if we take this formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, then n we can put as 43. A is 7, n is what we need to find out, d is 3. 47, if we take on the left hand side, it will become negative. 43 minus 7 is 36. So 36 equal to n minus 1 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 12s are 36, and we get n minus 1 equal to 12. We take minus 1 on the other side, it will become positive. 12 plus 1 is 13. N is equal to 13. So the number of terms is 13. That is for 1 mark. Go to the next question. Answer the following question. State with reason whether the given sequence is arithmetic progression or not for 1 mark. And this is to find out that we just need to find the difference, whether it's common or not. So A2 minus A1 I'm going to take, and I'm going to compare it with A3 minus A2. If their common difference comes same, that means it's an arithmetic progression. So A2 is 2, A1 is 2 minus 12 comes to minus 10. A3 is minus 8 and A2 is 2. So minus 8 minus 2 gives us minus 10. So since A3 minus A1 is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, therefore given sequence is an arithmetic progression for 1 mark. Next question, the 7th term and the 12th term of an arithmetic progression are 65 and 20 respectively. Find its common difference. So 7th term is given to us as 65 and 12th term is given to us as 12. A7 can also be written as A plus 6D equal to 65, and this can be written as A plus 11D equal to 20. This will mark as 1, mark as 2. What I'll do is 2 minus 1 I'll do, which means A plus 11D equal to 20 and a plus 6d equal to 65. So minus the whole thing out. A minus a cancels out. 11 minus 6 we get 5d. 20 minus 65 we get minus 45. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. We get d equal to minus 9. So the common difference is minus 9. That is what is asked over here for 1 mark. Next, third is for 1 mark. The first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression of 5,000, 5,200, 5,400 up to 6,800. Find their sum using appropriate formula. Okay, so over here we are given number of terms as 10. First term is 5,000. Okay, then anything else that we are given over here, difference would be a2 minus a1. So 5,200 minus 5,000, that gives us 200 as the difference, common difference. I think we are good to go. We can find out. So the formula is Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, close the bracket. So that would be S10, 10 upon 2, 2 into 5,000 and plus 10 minus 1 into d, that is 200, close the bracket. That would be 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Get 5 into 2 into 5,000 gives us 10,000, plus 10 into minus 10 minus 1 would be 9 into 200. That is 5 into 10,000 plus 9 into 200 gives us 1800. 10,000 plus 1800 will give us that would give us 11,800. So 5 into 11,800 will give us 59,000. Okay, so that is the sum of the given sequence for 1 mark. Question 3D for 4 marks. The following table shows the daily wages in rupees of the workers in the factory. Rewrite and complete the table. Find the mean of the daily wages by direct method. This is wages have been given 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, 800 to 900. And the frequency, that is the number of workers given as 5, 19, 16, 9, 5, 6. If we add all of these up, we'll get 60. Taking the class mark, how do you get the class mark? 300 plus 400 upon 2. Okay, so upper limit plus lower limit upon 2 will give us the class mark. This will come to 350. Since the class size is 100, so the difference will be 100 over here. So this 350, then it will become 450, 550, 650, 750, and finally 850. Next, Fi into Xi. 5 into 35 gives us 175, followed by the 0. Then 19 into 45 will give us 855, followed by the 0. 16 into 55 will give us 880, followed by the 0. Next is 9 into 65, that gives us 585, followed by the 0. Zeros are because of all this zeros that are there. 5 into 75 would be 375, followed by 0. And this would be 6 into 850 or 6 into 85. That gives us 510, followed by the 0. If we add all of this up, we will get 33,800. Okay, the sigma of summation of Fi Xi. Next is, it says find mean by direct method. So this is summation of Fi Xi upon summation of Fi. And that is 33,800 divided by 60. This 0 cancels over here. And when we divide, we get 563.33 as our answer. So give the final statement since it's asking find the mean of the daily wages. Okay, so therefore you can say it mean of the daily wages of workers is rupees 563.33. Okay, that is the daily wage, mean daily wage. Question 4a for 1 mark. The diameter of open end of a conical paper cap is 21 centimeter. So diameter is given to us as 21 centimeter, which means the radius over r will be equal to d upon 2. So 21 upon 2, which is coming to 10.5 centimeters. Its slant height is 28 centimeters. Okay, so that means L is equal to 28 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So curved surface area of a cone is given as pi RL. We'll take pi as 22 upon 7 because we will be able to use that for cancellation. R is 10.5 and L is 28. So 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. 22 into 4 is 88. So 88 into 10.5, that will give us 924 square centimeter. That is the curved surface area of the cone, paper cone. Next one, that's for 1 mark. Next one is also for 1 mark. Attempt the following. Question 4b1. Given triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. PQ is 15 centimeters. Area of triangle PQR is 75 square centimeters. And area of triangle XYZ is 108 square centimeters. Find XY. So, since you can say triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ, therefore we can say area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle XYZ will be equal to a square of their sides, a ratio of the square of their sides. So that means PQ square upon XY square. We are given area of triangle PQR, which is 75, and area of triangle XYZ is given as 108. PQ is given as 15, so that would be 15 square upon XY square. Okay. Next, we'll take XY square on the left hand side, and we will have 108 into 15 into 15 upon 75. So 75 will come down. So this we can easily divide of 15 ones are 15, 15 5s are 75, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so we are left with 108 into 3 is what we are left. So if we remove the factors of that. Okay, why are we removing factors? Because it says square, right? We need to get some pairs. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. Okay, 3 12s are 36, 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so we have XY square is equal which is equal to, directly take XY is the square root of 108 would be, so I'll take 3 first from here, multiplied by 108. 108 I'll split it up into factors. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. If you look, we have got pairs, 1, 3, pair of 3, another pair of 3 and another pair of 2. Which means we've got 3 from here, 3 from here, 2 from here. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Which means XY is equal to 18. That is our answer. Okay. Next, for 1 mark, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and ADB. So I'll draw this triangle here. So this is triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. Now we are given that AD is 24, AE is 32 and EC over here is 48. we need to find AB, this full length. Okay, so since it says that DE is parallel to BC, we can say by basic proportionality theorem that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. AD is given to us as 24, DB we have to find out, AE is given as 32 and EC is given as 48. Okay, so 4 8s are 32, 4 12s are 42, 48, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 12 will go and multiply with 3 and we'll get 36. So DB equal to 36. Okay, so 36 centimeter. So AB is nothing but AD plus DB. AD is given as 24, DB we just found as 36. That means AB is equal to 60 centimeter for 1 mark. Next question is the theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Given in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and BD is perpendicular to AC such that ADC. Prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is a straightforward theorem for 3 marks. Let's solve this one. We take in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Angle BDC is equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, which is given. Angle DCB is equal to angle BCA. That's a common angle. And therefore you can say therefore triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, and that would be by AA similarity rule. And since they are parallel, we can say therefore say BC upon AC is equal to DC upon BC as CPST, and you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, we get BC square, BC into BC is BC square equal to AC into DC. That would be 1. Similarly, we can take the other triangle also similar, that is triangle BDA. We have taken BDC, I will take BDA. BDA similar to triangle, we don't have to prove this, you just say similar, by AA similarity rule. Okay, say therefore BA upon AC is equal to DA upon AB, and this would be CPST. Cross multiply, we will get AB square is equal to AC into DA. Mark this as 2. Okay, then we add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into DA plus AC into DC. Okay, so we take AC common, we are left with DA plus DC. Now DA and DC, if we add them together, we'll get AC. So it is equal to AC into AC, which is AC square. So we hence the proof. So we have AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square, and AB square plus BC square. Hence proved. Okay, for 3 marks. Question 4D, last question, okay, which has got 2 questions under that, 2 marks each, total 4 marks. Attempt the following. A cuboidal water tank 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep is built to store water. How many liters of water can it hold? Mind you, this is all given in meters. Finally, you have to convert it into liters to show the final answer. Okay, so first we'll find it out in meters only. Okay, so is the volume of cuboidal tank. The formula would be length into breadth into height. And that would be 6 into 5 into 4.5. And that will give us, when we multiply all this, will give us 135 cubic meters, because it is all in meters. So meters into meters into meters gives us cubic meters. Now 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liter. Okay, that is what we are asked. How many liters of water can it? Not how many cubic meters, but how many liters. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000. So 135 cubic meters will be equal to 135 into 1,000 liters. So that would be 135 followed by 3 zeros. Okay, that is your answer. And give the final statement as well, because it contains half mark. So you can see that the cuboidal tank can hold up to 135,000. So that is 1,35,000 liters. It's for 2 marks. Next and the final question under question 4D and for this paper as well. A hemispherical bowl of internal radius 15 centimeter contains the liquid medicine. The medicine is to be filled in cylindrical shaped bottles of diameter 5 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. How many bottles are required to fill the whole liquid? That means this hemispherical bowl, whatever medicine this contains, we will be able to fill it up into cylindrical shaped bottles. How many bottles? So we need to find the volume of one bottle and multiply it with the number of bottles. Okay, and that will be equal to the volume of this entire hemispherical bowl. Okay, we'll have to find out the, so what we need to find is how many bottles. Okay, so we'll write it down. First we'll write down whatever has been given to us. Okay, so first is radius of hemispherical bowl. Okay, and we'll take this as R capital H equal to 15 centimeter. Then diameter has been given of the cylinder. Diameter of cylinder, okay, is given as 5 centimeters. We don't need diameter, we need the radius of the cylinder. So therefore you can say radius of cylinder, and I'll take this as R capital C equal to D upon 2, which is 5 upon 2, which is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And we have been given the height of cylinder. I'll take that as H equal to 6 centimeters we have been given. Okay, so that's all. And we'll make one small assumption. We'll say let N be the number of bottles. Okay, these bottles. Okay, let N be the number of bottles. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll make sense of the whole statement or problem that is given, such that we end up getting the number of bottles that we have assumed as N. So we write volume of hemispherical bowl, it should be equal to N, that is number of bottles, into volume of each cylindrical bottle, okay. And volume of hemispherical bowl is given as 2 upon 3 pi r cube, pi r of the hemispherical, so the RH, okay. equal to n into volume of each cylindrical bottle. So volume of cylinder is given as pi r square h. So I'll take it as C because it's of the cylinder. So don't confuse this r with this r. They are two different things. Okay, so they don't cancel each other as well. But you can cancel the pi, okay, because it's common to both. So there's no need to substitute the value of pi. It's not even given also over here. Okay, so we write 2 upon 3, okay, 2 upon 3 and r cube h. So r is given as 15. So 15 into 15 into 15 equal to n, which we don't know. We have to find that out, into r square. So that is given as 2. We've got it as 2.5. So sorry, into that is into 2.5, and h, that is height, is 6. Okay, so we have to cancel this out. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10, and 15 into 15 is 225. So 225, 2250, okay, equal to n into 2.5. I'm going to leave this lesson. 2.5 into 2.5 into 6. Now, and I'm going to keep it on the left hand side, on the right hand side. I'm just taking it on the left hand side, and all this will come in the denominator. So 2250 upon 2.5 into 2.5 into 6. So 0.5, and this will be divided by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 0. Okay, next 0.1, 5 9s are 45, 0. Again 15 6s are 80. So 6 1s are 6, 15, 5 3s are 25, 5.05. okay, then over here what we'll see what is we have been left with. So what we will be left with over here is 3 upon 0.1 into 0.5. okay, so to get rid of the decimal points, what I'm going to do is 3 into, there are 2 decimal points, so we need 100 to get rid of them. 0.1 into 0.5 into 100, divide and multiply. Okay, and this will give us n equal to 3 upon 5 into 100. Okay, so this 0.1 into 0.5 into 100 gives us 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 20 is 100, 3 into 20 is 60. We get n is equal to 60. So you can say therefore 60 bottles are required to fill the whole liquid. Okay, and this is for 2 marks. And with this we come to an end of the prelims paper for level 2 maths students that came in March 2023. If you think there is a mistake, please let me know in the comment section below. The question paper you will find at the link given below, and I will also put down the model paper link, the video which was done for level 2 students, in case if you have missed it. If you have liked watching the video, please hit the like button. Please share this video with as many friends and classmates as possible so they can also view how the paper needs to be solved. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, because many more videos will be coming your way. Thank you for watching, and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.